Hey, what's going on everybody? This is G-Trade YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Clover, ticker symbol CLOV.
Nice.
And in particular, we are going to talk about the potential short squeeze. Understand that we are up by 30 to 40% since the last time I posted, but I still think that we still have more to squeeze. If you guys like this kind of content, do subscribe, click the notification button, and smash the like button for the algorithm. If not, let's go. Okay guys, when we are talking about short squeeze stocks, we need to look at the short interest and the most shorted stocks. So Clover is right now ranked 4th amongst all of them. All the stocks ranked 4th with the float shorted 35.87%. And with the short interest of 40 million, roughly 500,000 short interest. So next, we take a look at another website. This website is a high short interest stocks. The links will be in the description box below. So for this website, Clover Health Investments Corp, Clov, which is ranked 2nd over here. So short interest 35.1%, 148 outstanding. So it's pretty heavily shorted, and some of us not very sure what is short interest. So over here, short interest definition and uses. So what is short interest? Short interest is the number of shares that have been sold short but have not yet been covered or closed out. Short interest, which can be expressed as a number of percentage, is an indicator of market sentiment. So extremely high short interest shows investors are pessimistic, potentially overly pessimistic. When investors are overly pessimistic, it can lead to very sharp price rises at times. Large changes in short interest also flash warning signs, as it shows investors may be turning more bearish or bullish on stocks. So again, I'd like to highlight this. Overly pessimistic can lead to very sharp prices change at times. So that's where we're talking about the short squeeze. So this is the definition of short squeeze. So next, let's take a look at one, which is the chart of the Clover. Yesterday we have had a fantastic day. If you guys watched my video a couple of days ago, and if you guys join me and buy in, you guys are in pretty awesome gains right now. So right now we closed at 11.92, up 32.44%, which was extremely good. Post market, we were up 8% to $13.19, the highest, which was the resistance line that I drew for myself the other time. So in total, on Monday, which is yesterday, we were up 40%, 40+%, which was awesome. But so a lot of people would ask me, hey Gary, is the squeeze over? My answer to you is, I don't know. This is not financial advice, but given the short interest still remain at 30-something% and being most shorted stocks, and take a look at this. We broke take a look at this. We are above the 50-day moving average, above the 100-day moving average. The 50-day is the orange one, the 100-day moving average is the blue line, and the 200-day moving average is the red line. So we are above all three. Means we are very bullish. So being bullish, we need to break above this particular resistance line, as you guys can see over here. So why? Because the first time when it drops below this particular line, we have had a gap down, and of course there was a rejection here. But then once we exit, that's where we go up to all-time high. And then again, when we drop down, that's where we go down to $6 plus. And then we hover around here for quite some time, and we tried to break at this point, which is April 29, and then we drop down again. So the fact that we broke this and we go up to $13.19 means that we are above that. Okay, means this part becomes the support line. That's fantastic. Now, this $13.19 is the new resistance line. Why? Because this point, as you can see, there was a rejection here. They tried again, there was a massive rejection, and hence there's this drop. And once we exit this point, that's where we go back up, and then it supports over here, and then it fails to support, and therefore there was a gap down over here. So this point we are at a very crucial area, but nevertheless, I strongly feel that there will be a short squeeze coming. So we might see a red day, doesn't matter, but as long as you know you know that the squeeze is coming. Because I mean, I have AMC, this is my average, $7.95. I bought when it did, I bought when it rise as well, so that's why my average is $7 plus. But when I see AMC and Clover, is AMC broke the $14 resistance. Okay, $14 resistance, $15, then boom to 20 plus, and then boom again. So when that happens, the short squeeze will come fast, bam, bam, bam. So that's what I'm betting for. Yeah. So looking at the chart, it looks very bullish, and we are, as long as we break this particular resistance line, then we are up. And I'm not sure where is the next resistance line, but judging from this graph, right, you take a look at it, judging from this particular line would be the next resistance line. So if you guys want to day trade, you guys want to let it run to the resistance line, then this particular line is the next resistance line we are looking at. So yeah, so that is the chart. Very bullish. Right now we're at $11.92, post market $12.80 thereabout. And let's see how is it going to go today. I hope another 30%. That would be awesome. Moving on to the next part. Over here, Clover. Okay, as you guys can see over here, a few days ago, if you guys watched my video, Clover was at 9,000 members. Okay, 9,000 members, and just 24 hours, or even maybe 36, I don't think 48 hours, 36 hours, we have additional 3,000 members. So can you see the growth, the exponential growth over here? So I do feel that in terms of community, we are growing rapidly, and there are a lot of DD going on tomorrow, a lot of options, a lot of buying power, and we are moving forward. So why is that the case? All right, as you can see over here, the first thing first, Wall Street Bet ticker sentiment. Clover ranked number 1 with so much positive sentiment around us. So that's awesome. Number 2, WSBtrackers.com. We, as you can see over here, we rank below GameStop, BB, and AMC. So can you imagine if this continues, the exponential growth continue, 9,000, 12,000, 15,000, 20,000. Once it grows, I don't see a reason why it won't be second or even first, right? So I see the potential in it. And next, let's take a look at this, right? Let's go. Wait, hold on. All right, everyone. Clove is set to join Russell 3000 on last Friday in June, which is 25th. Sorry. Okay. Last Friday in June, which is 25th. Along with that, there are currently 220,959 call options that will expire in the money if the stock price is above $13 on June 18, which is 12 million thereabout shares with a value of 157 million if priced at $13 share price. However, I think we will be far past $22, so if each call option available up to $22 strike price expires in the money, that's a total of 166,508 call options, which is 16,650,800 shares with a minimum value of $22 a share. That is 366,300,17,600 worth of shares. Oh my god, I'm gonna repeat myself. 366,317,600 worth of shares that could expire in the money. I can most guarantee that numbers will continue to climb since Clove is trending and it was in the top 5 daily movers today. People are going to be jumping in like crazy after today. Plus 43% today counting after hours. Yes, today was just a small taste of where this stock is heading. The rest of the month should be very good for Clove. So this is the DD, this is a post done by one of the Reddit members, one of us. So if you guys haven't joined the community, do join the Reddit community. And last but not least, let's take a look at this particular report. So basically, Clover Health full report per year. So you can take a look at this, but I'm your attention should be on full year 2020, 2019, and in particular you take a look at the full year total revenue. 672 million is in millions, and past year 2019 is 462 million. So in a span of 1 year, our revenue increased by 200 million. It may not be a lot, but can you see the exponential growth in Clover? Then we talk about premium revenue doubled, and then the thing is net loss has decreased. So our revenue increased, our net loss decreased. So fundamentally, I think Clover is fine. At least it's not in the brink of being belly up, oh my god, bankruptcy. Yes, yeah. So at least Clover, you know that it is growing year by year, year over year, and it will continue to grow. It means fundamentally it is at least sound, right? You don't buy into a bankruptcy company that's the reason why there is a short squeeze. So one, the short squeeze is imminent because of the short interest, high short interest. Number two, we talk about the chart, and even if you don't hit what, $20, $30, $40 or $50 like AMC, then as long as it goes to say what, all-time high $17.50, maybe not $15, I take it, right? Won't you buy shares, you gain all the way into $15, I would take that. All right, so in terms of short squeeze potential is there, in terms of long-term potential is there, but I do hope that it's gonna moon, and when it moons, let's go it together. That's about it for this video. I hope you guys like it. As usual, this is not a financial advice. It's just me doing a due diligence and then sharing it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, I think I'll see you guys in the next video. See you.